Hello everyone, it's Margarita Crypto with you today, and today in this video we will actually answer some questions. I mean, the way it will go, it's a question, so I will answer it in my opinion, and as well we're gonna read the answers from professionals of trading, of Wall Street, New York Times financials, and so on. So in this video, we're going to talk about cryptocurrency stocks, which one is better in opinion of professionals. So all this information has been gathering from the most recent interviews. So yeah, and I'm gonna say my opinion, and you're welcome to share yours and comment below. Just don't post some scam shit, please. Save my time of deleting that. And yeah, let's stay true because we're here to educate and learn and spread love and knowledge and tips, not to lie, please. Not in my channel. In other channels, you can do what you want, but not in my channel, please. So yeah, let's go on with all of this and see where we go, like from all of this intense thing. So investing in stocks is established choice as well as in crypto. So yeah, let's just try to realize like Bitcoin vs Tesla or whatsoever, and we're gonna go from there. So it's a fierce debate among investors. Stocks have been around centuries for some time now, achieved a certain status of, I guess, stability in some way, of feeling comfortable with, while cryptocurrency have only come in couple of years where people actually been trying to learn as well, like trading process of it. I mean, cryptocurrency been there for some time. So no hate. It's just recently people who do trading in stocks, they're going towards cryptocurrency. So this is the main thing, for seasonal investors, and not so much about which one is better one. It's which form is of investment is like allies with their goals or allies with period of time, what they would like to achieve as well. Like for us who are in cryptocurrency, we have goals, what we would like to achieve and how to deal with this. I'm sorry, my hair just being like out there. So I'm trying to combine them. Let's call it this way, that they will still show. So yeah, it's everything depends of period of time and our goals, what we would like to achieve with stocks or cryptocurrency. So stocks are backed up by company assets of physical money, but it's not in the case of crypto. So we're gonna just go through all of this. It's some answers that does make sense, I would agree with them. Or I would add something more or remove something. So we're just gonna go and see, I will answer it. So while I answer, maybe you will answer it as well. So yeah, it will be like, reading and telling. So yeah, let's go on. By the way, today it's wine day for me because tomorrow, I mean, this video will come up a little bit later on, but let's say it's Wednesday, 6th of April. Tomorrow I'm flying my ancestor land, Holy Land. So, I'm preparing mentally. So I'm gonna sip a wine like a lady over here. And yeah. So let's continue what's going back. So does cryptocurrency work like stocks? Answer towards for me, it doesn't really work. It has some things that cryptocurrency and stocks have similarity in thing that they can go up, they can grow, they can go down. So it's highs and lows in this perspective of view. You know, it's different matters. If you think more like in theory, it has some similarities, you know, but I couldn't say that it's so many. It's like similar advantages and disadvantages. It's kind of different, but it's as well combined together if of period of trading. So yeah, I guess that's my answer. So let's see what professionals say. Investing stocks works differently than committing funds of cryptocurrency. However, they have advantages and disadvantages. Both cryptocurrency and stocks are used to build wealth. I agree with that. But the method of investing is completely different and stated above. When you invest in stocks, you become certain part owner of the company called shareholder. I have no knowledge of the stocks. Like I hold some stocks, but I don't fully pay attention to it. But I have some friends from states who are actually more in stock holding, like shareholder and all of these things. So they have ups and downs from certain stocks and states. So, I mean, I guess it does make sense, you know? I agree with that. You can buy shares during the opening hours of stock exchange. That's true. Because stock markets are kind of working like normal hours. Let's say, you know, they work like from 9 to 5 or 10 to 6. Otherwise, cryptocurrency, it's exchange are open 24/7, you know, so that's kind of difference right there. So yeah, so you can buy shares during opening hours of stock exchange. If the stock you have invested in performs well, you will also receive a dividends. May kept as a cash or invest in order to accumulate more shares by investors who receive them. I mean, in cryptocurrency, you can, when you get extra money, let's call it this one, from your shares. I cannot agree with this statement because you actually, when you invest in performs well, you can actually have profits out of there. Let's call it this way, profits out of there. So you can take these profits out, you can cash them up, or you can buy other stocks, you can reinvest in other coins. So that statement is not really correct. It depends. I guess it depends on the level, to be honest, you know, because it's different platforms with different aspects, but you actually can do that with cryptocurrency as well. I'm sorry to break the truth, but it's not entirely true. The stock market is incredibly strict in terms of law and regulations, what is true, with all associated penalties for non-compliance. I mean, that is kind of true, but cryptocurrency now having more regulations from politics, from governments. So you know, it's been changing, you know, since begin. Many things changed. Even we don't agree, but you know, yep. The crypto market does not have deal with international laws of regulations of the market is the motion. It's kind of true, but I mean, it's still some kind of international laws and regulations coming towards cryptocurrency. So I do not know, but yes, you can buy cryptocurrency in the motion of 24/7. This is what I said before. There is no ownership. when you are active in crypto market and you do not get paid profits, dividends kind of sounds like profits. That's not entirely true. I mean, if I own cryptocurrency, I am the owner. I own it as well as you. You own it. So there is no ownership when you're active. It's false. It's not true. You are owner when you hold. So that's not true. When you're active in crypto market, that's not true. I'm sorry, but it's not true. And you do get paid. You know, you get profits or you don't. This depends of market situation. So unfortunately, I cannot agree with that statement. It's yeah, sorry, but don't. It said you can lend or stake your tokens to earn passive income. Yes, that's true. You can lend or stake your tokens or you can mine them to earn passive income. That's true. But I want to agree there is no ownership when you're active in crypto market. That's not true. If you want to start investing in cryptocurrency, you can do so quite easily. In doing so, digital coins fall outside of the control of the central bank, allowing you to compel anonymous transactions and lightning speed and bypassing economic trends such as inflation. Not kind of true. I mean, this video will be like true or not true, love statement wise, because all this answers been questions been answered by specialists in stock market, so it's not true. I will tell you what is true. Yes, you can start investing cryptocurrency easily. That's true. That's a fact. In doing so, digital coins fall outside of control of central bank. That's true because cryptocurrency is decentralized, allowing you to complete anonymous transactions. That's true. Yeah, but there is some things, you know, if you know what is inflation and deflation, you know the difference in economic way. I will add kind of video, you know, so you can see it about deflation in Ethereum, what's been happening, so you can watch it. I agree and I kind of disagree, you know. Let's sip some wine, you know. Third question, is cryptocurrency a good investment in 2022? Yeah, if it won't be good investment, probably I wouldn't be making this video, you know, and doing all these educational videos and posting educational posts. And I believe yes, but I believe, you know, in material wise, you know, you have to do good homework about cryptocurrency. It's very important because out there, you know, when it's something so popular, you can find scammers or like scamming companies, scamming exchange platforms, or what else? You know, like scammers pretty much, you know, and like pyramid schemes. So you need to do homework very well. Before starting, you have to feel comfortable with knowledge what you receive, you know, making your research. It's so many good books you can read. You can find that in my video, what I did about the books. I will add them. I don't know when, but I will. As well, watch the videos on YouTube from experts, you know, and I have a course. You're welcome to join and learn fundamentals if you're a beginner. I mean, yeah, it's, you know, There is, but you need to know, you have to have knowledge before you go into it. That, I believe that would be more correct statement. And you need to feel comfortable, by investing money. So I guess yes, that's my answer. Let's see what professionals gonna answer. If you're considering investing in cryptocurrency, you must be familiar with risk and benefits of crypto market. I agree. Whenever cryptocurrency is good investment 2022 or not, it's also a subjective topic. There has definitely been a breakthrough on normalizing the crypto market in recent years. That's true. However, it's not yet permit to use your coins for everyday things such as shopping, for groceries, or paying rent. The regulation will provide convenience on one hand, but it also has limitation on the other hand. It's not true. You can pay for everyday things such as shopping, groceries, paying rent, buying clothes, having holidays. You can. So I'm unfortunately, I don't agree on this thing that you cannot do it. It's not permitted. It's not true. You can. You can do it. It's some loopholes how you can do it, but you can. I will add step-by-step tutorial with more information so you can watch it. But yeah, you can. Ha! Someone is wrong. For instance, governments will be able to penetrate with infrastructure tracing crypto activities more easily as a result to limited discretion, blah, 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 blah. Or taxing on crypto assets arise. If you are open to cryptocurrency investment, you should be aware of risks next to potential gains. Yeah, I mean, you have to pay tax, but this is the thing. It's always a loophole. It's always a loop. Like in Chicago, is South Loop, North Loop, West Loop, West, East Loop. In loops, it's little loops. You have loops. You have motherfucking loops. So I agree and I disagree. It's yes, you can pay tax as everything, but because this is why, all these governments, all these bastards banks, they want to get money off us, so we already have to pay tax of some shit, and they take this tax money and they support murderers, terrorists, and whatsoever, or just taking them pockets so they can buy bigger mansions. But there is some loops. That would be the main response, I guess, to that. Are stocks a good investment 2022? I cannot comment on this, but I have some stocks. What about, stocks are not that expensive. It's very cheap. Compared to cryptocurrency, like to Bitcoin or Binance or Ethereum, Solana, it's, they have like Netflix, when because of the COVID, like Netflix stock, Facebook, Twitter, like medicine stock, like Pfizer, food stocks, Amazon's, like it went high, like it skyrocketed. Some stocks went down, as airlines, hotels, they went down because of the COVID. So, stocks and cryptocurrencies are similar, stocks are stocks, cryptocurrencies are still aspect of different altcoins, where they go up and down. So, is it a good investment? I guess yes. I cannot comment fully because I'm not professional in that field, but they do have positive things, so yeah. I guess, yeah. You can read it, right? Like the things that it says. So let's take the more things. It's you have to do homework. It's more predictable as a crypto market. because all of COVID-19 pandemic, war between Russia and Ukraine, resulting inflation in the market. So I guess, yeah. Yes. I'm just running away because I received a message, so I will have to get ready soon. But crypto trading, stock trading, how are they different? I mean, they're kind of similar in some way, they are, but they have different aspects as well. So not to stay in the subject for hours. So let's see what professions are, because you can see material, right? So when we're talking about cryptocurrency, there's stocks, there is big difference in how they're traded. That's true. Cryptocurrency can be bought at cryptocurrency exchange. You can buy stocks at the stock exchange, or of course, there are different sections. Hours previously described. That's true. We thought that you can buy cryptocurrency 24/7, stocks only in the opening hours. Normally, crypto market is more violated than stock market. I cannot agree with that. I'm sorry. However, the stock market is also driven due to interest of rate changes, like war, inflation rate, currency changes. I mean, yeah, that's kind of true. So yes, crypto market is decentralized. So crypto market is decentralized. Stock market is centralized. So in the cryptocurrency market is decentralized. However, you do pay a gas fee reward the miners and validators who verify transactions with security. That's true. On the stock market, transaction costs like brokerage fee apply, but you can often trade free of charge within certain platforms like eToro that do not charge any commission for trading stocks. That is correct. You can have time to read while I'm gonna sip my wine and prepare. This video will be completely different because let me tell you a story. I had no motivation to record videos for some time, and I'm very organized, so I pre-record them for a couple months in advance, because all the videos what you have seen till I don't know, like till March 28th, February 28th, all of them were pre-recorded actually. And I pre-recorded them in December last year, 2021. And because I had time, I was staying in Lithuania, had plenty of time, and I was like, oh, I have time. So I had that motivation because I was doing so many things at home and I still had time. And like when all these videos was coming to the end, I didn't have any time, it finished like 4th of April. I had no time, and it was the last video. So I kind of like, the last video was March 28th, and I was like, I have left like a week. I have to pre-record, and I was like, So I guess it's celebrational class for me because I feel motivated to record now and to record in today, I guess more or less, or tomorrow and whatsoever. And yeah, you feel sometimes burned out, even it has nothing to do with this, but you do, and it's hard, I mean, we all have our personal lives. We all can get depression or mood swings. So yeah, let's continue. Investing in cryptocurrency for a beginner. So I will add the video for you, but you can watch step by step lecture. You need, as I said before, you really need to make a research and follow step by step plan for cryptocurrency. I recommend that. if simply words say you need to make your research. You have to feel comfortable with the amount of money what you can spend. If you don't hurt your needs or your groceries or things, and you have to really be comfortable, by investing the amount. And you need to choose correct coin. It's very important as well. It's some videos that I'm gonna add over here. You can watch, and in the end of the video we'll add like different budget coins. So yeah, it's like buy low and sell high. It's important thing, but I will add more information towards that. So this is like small step how to buy cryptocurrency. Do research on coins you want to buy. Yes, or make all research about cryptocurrency. Determine the amount you want to invest and you can afford to. I agree. Agreed by Margarita Crypto. And here's like, create an account on the crypto exchange, yes, but confirm crypto exchange because it's so many different scammers out there. Deposit money into your account, yes. Buy the cryptocurrency you desire, yes. Store them in the wallet of your choice. Yes, I agree with that. Investing in stocks for beginner, I guess make your research. Their own research to follow step by buying stocks. In the crypto market, different investors are active. Yeah, we're not sleeping out there. Some invest for the short term and sell their coins as soon as the price rises. I mean, at all. Then there are hodlers, as it's mispronounced from holders. So we're hodlers. I'm a hodler, otherwise again known as holder, who choose to commit their money for a long period. Yes, hodlers. It's been especially mispronounced, but it's holder. So hodlers is holders. We are more for a long period of time. And there's like, yeah, short term, when you buy, when it's low, and you sell when it's going up. But yeah. Yeah, so it's not stock markets, I mean, it as well, like for cryptocurrencies, exactly the same hodlers and stockers. This is what it says, but let's see. Step by step. Open account at brokerage firm. Yes. Choose whenever you want to invest in stocks or exchange trading funds. Set your budget to the amount of money you can spare for a long period of time to be a what? Say it. Long term is who? Yes, it's hodler or holder. Yes. And if you have difficulty say hodler, you will know that it's holder. Focus on long-term investing. Monitor your investments. Kind of true. Is cryptocurrency the future? I guess if you wouldn't be here if you will think that cryptocurrency is not future. And let's raise a glass for all those haters and all of those shit people, who always think that cryptocurrency is scam and shit. Let's hold it is future. That's Mazel tov, l'chaim to cryptocurrency. So yes. So you don't. You have some other comments, but yeah, it is. Answer it is yes. No other aspects. Yeah. Stocks or cryptocurrency, which is safe? In my personal opinion, it will be always sometimes when stocks and crypto will grow. It will be always time when they fall, as well as gas, groceries, our even main lifestyle, besides when it's expensive or no. So, you have to really have like understanding what it is, to feel safe. It's different ways how you can feel safe. So, I mean, it has some risk, all of them have, all of them have. I mean, we don't know what's going to happen in more further state of cryptocurrency because it's still kind of new innovation. So it's hard to comment on it, and we will see, how it goes. Which one is safe? I mean, they're both a risk, they both have big risk or small risk. We'll never have any guarantees what will happen. We don't know what can happen tomorrow. It's like it was pandemic, then it's war with Russians, those motherfuckers. And it's, I mean, other things, like I'm still waiting zombie apocalypse. So who knows, I mean, we can stay positive, and hope for the best. So, I mean, yeah. So that was kind of quick video, what I wanted to go through while I'm getting ready for my flight tomorrow. So with my wine. So I will see you soon and stay safe. Wash your hands. Don't cause any issues. Sip some wine. And I'll see you soon. It was different video, I know, but it's fun. Bye.